Hello, travel honeys. Welcome to Switzerland, the land of majestic mountains and serene lakes. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Switzerland is a country that captivates at first sight. Imagine a tapestry of breathtaking landscapes where snowy peaks kiss the sky, lush meadows sprawl beneath the sun, and sapphire lakes shimmer in the gentle breeze. But it's not just the natural beauty that makes Switzerland so enchanting. It's a country with a rich cultural tapestry, a harmonious blend of languages, traditions, and customs. As we wander through its charming cities and quaint villages, we'll discover a nation that values its heritage while embracing innovation and progress. Switzerland is a symphony, a beautiful composition of sights, sounds, and experiences that are sure to enchant every traveler. So let's lace up our hiking boots, strap on our backpacks, and set off on an unforgettable journey. As we set foot in this beautiful land, we can already feel the magic in the air. Welcome to Switzerland. Imagine standing at the foot of a towering mountain, its peak piercing the clear blue sky. Suddenly, you find yourself amidst the grandeur of the Swiss Alps, a spectacle of nature that leaves you awestruck at first sight. Here, the mountains stand tall and majestic, their white peaks reaching out to touch the heavens as if challenging the very limits of the sky. The Swiss Alps are not just a testament to the grandeur of nature, but also a playground for adventure seekers and solitude lovers alike. Hiking these mountains is an exhilarating experience, one that fills your heart with a sense of achievement and your soul with a thirst for more. Imagine this. You're on a trail, surrounded by towering peaks and lush greenery. The air is crisp, the silence only broken by the crunch of your boots on the gravel and the distant chirping of alpine birds. As you ascend, the views become more breathtaking, each turn revealing a new panorama that fills your heart with awe. And then, there are the moments of pure bliss. Like when you stop for a breather and find a hidden waterfall cascading down a rocky slope, its misty spray creating a miniature rainbow, or when you reach a clearing and see a herd of ibex grazing peacefully, oblivious to your presence. But the pinnacle of the journey is the summit, the moment when you stand at the peak, feeling on top of the world, literally. From up here, the world below looks like a beautiful tapestry, a blend of verdant valleys, sparkling lakes, and quaint villages. The air tastes different, fresher, as if infused with the essence of the mountains themselves. This feeling of achievement, this sense of awe-inspiring beauty, is what makes the Swiss Alps more than just a mountain range. They are a testament to the power of nature, a symbol of the human spirit's desire to explore, and a reminder of the beauty that lies in taking the path less traveled. As we stand at the peak, taking in the panoramic view of the world below, we realize that the Swiss Alps are indeed a sight to behold. From the mountains, we descend into the heart of Swiss cities, where tradition meets modernity. As we step into the heart of Switzerland, we're greeted by a unique charm that's distinctly Swiss. Picture a world where centuries-old cobblestone streets are adorned with modern art installations, and centuries-old buildings house trendy boutiques and cafes. This is Switzerland's urban landscape, a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Every Swiss city has a story to tell. Whether it's Zurich with its bustling Bahnhofstrasse and historic Old Town, or Geneva with its cosmopolitan flair and iconic Jet d'eau, each city holds a captivating blend of old and new. In Lucerne, the Chapel Bridge stands as a testament to the city's rich history, while the KKL Luzerne, a state-of-the-art culture and convention center, showcases its modern side. As we explore, we discover that each city is a living museum, with history etched onto their facades. The grandeur of the medieval castles, the beauty of the Baroque cathedrals, and the majesty of the Renaissance palaces all coexist harmoniously with skyscrapers, contemporary art galleries, and avant-garde architectural marvels. The cities offer a sensory experience that's not just visual. The aroma of Swiss chocolate wafts from local chocolatiers, blending with the scent of freshly ground coffee from the modern cafes. And then there's the taste of Swiss cuisine, a delightful fusion of tradition and innovation. From the hearty raclette and fondue to the contemporary plant-based dishes, every bite is a celebration of Swiss culinary heritage and modern gastronomy. As we immerse ourselves in the city life, we find that the Swiss have a knack for seamlessly weaving the old with the new. They cherish their past, yet they're not afraid to embrace the future. This balance creates a captivating atmosphere that's both nostalgic and forward-thinking. Walking through the streets of these cities, we find ourselves lost in time, caught between the old and the new, the traditional and the modern. Switzerland's cities serve as a reminder that tradition and modernity don't have to be at odds. In fact, they can coexist in a beautiful, harmonious blend that's uniquely Swiss. No journey is complete without a taste of the local cuisine, and in Switzerland, it's a culinary delight. Imagine a country where the food is as diverse as the landscapes, where every region brings forth a unique flavor, a distinct taste that lingers on your palate long after you've savored the last bite. That's the magic of Swiss cuisine. Firstly, who can resist the allure of Swiss chocolates? Their velvety smoothness, the way they melt in your mouth, the burst of rich cocoa flavor. It's not just a sweet treat, it's a sensory experience. Swiss chocolates have a long-standing history, a tradition of perfection that dates back centuries. This isn't mass-produced confectionery. This is artisanal craft, a labor of love that you can taste in every bite. And then, there's the cheese. Oh, the cheese. Switzerland is home to over 450 varieties of cheese, each with its unique texture, aroma, and flavor. From the creamy Gruyere to the robust Emmental, the tangy Appenzeller to the delicate Vacherin Mont d'Or, the Swiss cheese journey is a roller coaster of taste sensations. But Swiss cuisine is not just about chocolates and cheese. It's about hearty stews, like the Bündner Gerstensuppe, a barley soup from the Graubünden region. It's about Rösti, a crispy potato dish that's a staple in every Swiss household. It's about Zürcher Geschnetzeltes, a creamy veal dish that's as comforting as it is delicious. Each dish tells a story, a tale of tradition, of history, of a people and their relationship with the land they call home. These are dishes that have been passed down generations, recipes that have stood the test of time, food that's not just about sustenance but about identity. And what's truly remarkable is the way Swiss cuisine marries simplicity with sophistication. It's about using the freshest, highest quality ingredients and letting their natural flavors shine. It's about minimalism, but the kind that leaves a maximum impact. With each bite, we discover a new flavor, a new sensation, making our Swiss culinary journey truly unforgettable. Beyond the landscapes and cuisine, the true essence of Switzerland lies in its rich and diverse culture. Just as a kaleidoscope reveals a different pattern with every twist and turn, a journey through Switzerland unveils a myriad of cultural treasures. This country, though small in size, is bursting at the seams with cultural richness, a testament to its 4 official languages and the harmony of its diverse communities. Switzerland is a symphony of festivals, each one a vibrant display of local traditions. From the cow parades of the Alpine to where herds are decorated with flowers and bells, to the colorful Fastnacht carnivals, where the streets come alive with music, dance, and elaborate costumes. Every festival is a unique celebration, a riot of colors, sounds, and emotions, reflecting the heart and soul of the Swiss people. But the cultural richness of Switzerland isn't confined to its festivals. It's woven into the fabric of everyday life. You'll find it in the melodic tolling of church bells, in the meticulous craftsmanship of Swiss watchmakers, in the delicate brushstrokes of a local artist. It's in the stories shared over a cup of coffee, the laughter echoing from a bustling market, the hushed whispers of awe in a centuries-old cathedral. And then there's the warmth and hospitality of the Swiss people themselves. They are the custodians of this rich cultural heritage, and they share it generously with those who come to explore their country. Whether you're learning to yodel in a mountain village, joining a traditional Swiss wrestling match, or simply enjoying a leisurely meal with a local family, you're not just observing the culture, you're living it. The Swiss people understand that every traveler brings with them a piece of their own culture, adding to the beautiful tapestry that is Switzerland. They welcome each visitor with a graciousness that makes you feel at home, even when you're thousands of miles away. As we immerse ourselves in the Swiss culture, we find a home away from home, a place where every traveler is welcomed with open arms. As our Swiss journey comes to an end, we carry with us memories of a lifetime. The echoes of the Swiss Alps, the vibrant hues of Zurich's Old Town, the fusion of tradition and modernity in every corner, all these still linger in our hearts. We've discovered a world that goes far beyond its iconic cheese and chocolate, a world that's a harmonious blend of diverse cultures, languages, and landscapes. We've tasted the culinary delights that took us on a journey of flavor, from the hearty raclette to the sweet indulgence of Swiss chocolate. We've met warm and welcoming locals, each with their own tale of this beautiful land. Switzerland has left an indelible mark on us, a mark that's as beautiful and diverse as the country itself. It's not just a place, but a feeling that's hard to put into words. Farewell, Switzerland. You've been a beautiful journey, And to our travel honeys, don't forget to subscribe for more breathtaking journeys around the world.